Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean verbs. So, let's start. The first one is the Korean translation of the verb to congratulate, and that is 축하하다. 축하하다. Okay? Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to wear, and that is 입다. 입다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to fall, and that is 넘어지다. 넘어지다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to die, and that is 죽다. 죽다. Okay, now comes the Korean translation of the verb to imagine, and that is 상상하다. 상상하다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to fry, and that is 볶다. 볶다. Okay, now comes the Korean translation of the verb to marry, and that is 결혼하다. 결혼하다. Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to invite, and that is 초대하다. 초대하다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to worry, and that is 걱정하다. 걱정하다. And the last one is the Korean translation of the verb to dream, and that is 꿈꾸다. 꿈꾸다. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean verbs. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.